Beautiful souls. Hello, beautiful souls. Hello, hello, hello. So this is a quick video to explain to you a new little bonus feature that I have put in to the CPN program. And this is something you can use on your social security number or your CPN number. And if you're not clients of mine, like I said, it can be used on your CPN number. The link to this particular program is below. And it is called the Self-Lender program. So basically, Self-Lender is a community where they give you all of these collections of tools to kind of take control of your credit, which is what we're doing with a CPN number. So in particular, when you enroll with Self-Lender, which is a separate entity other than myself, it allows you to get credit monitoring, access to some additional financial tools, and most importantly, which is the reason I'm sharing this with you, is that you can apply for a credit builder account. And a credit builder account allows you to establish credit and build a credit history while saving money in a really, really safe way. So kind of how does this work? So basically what happens is you're going to go use the link below and go over to the Self-Lender site, okay? And you are going to create an account, which is totally 100% free. And there you can get a lot of your questions about credit and credit scores and all that type of things answered and get some credit monitoring. If you're in my program, you want to get that credit monitoring done on your CPN. You want to enroll with Self-Lender on your CPN. Why? Because you're going to say that I want to save money and build my credit, because you're going to get two options once you've enrolled. One is I want a simple loan, which you can do if you've already established credit on your CPN, or if you have I can't even say the word. If you have like a medium level credit score on your social security number. If you don't, we're going to skip the first option. You're going to go to option number 2, right? And option number 2 is I want to establish credit and I want to save money. Okay, and what you do is actually apply for a loan, because you're going to set this up. Now you can have 2 credit lender accounts. You can have one under your social security number and you can have one with your CPN number. I'm going to, from this point, just talk about using your CPN. So when you go to Self-Lender, to get an account is free. Then you can kind of look around, read things, what have you. But what you want to do is apply for, you want to click the option that says, I want to save money and build credit. You're going to apply for a loan with them, okay? They charge a $12 processing fee. It's one time. And you get a credit builder account small loan. So you go through the process, you get to pick. They offer 3 loans. Okay, I think one's $500, one's $1,100, one's $2,200. And so if you can afford it, apply for the middle one, which would cost you $97 a month. If not, the one that's $500 costs you less than $50 a month. Now, when you apply and you get approved, okay, you're going to pay the $12, you're going to apply. You are going to get approved. Then what happens is that they approve you and they take the $500 or the $1,000 or the $2,000, and that cash doesn't go directly to you right away. It is held in a CD account for 12 months. Okay, and this is a FDIC insured account that your money is held in. Okay, now you've applied, you've been approved, and now you have, say, the middle loan of you've been granted approval on a loan for $1,100. So 30 days from the day that you apply, you're going to start making payments on that loan, because your money is being held in a secured CD account. Okay. And you're going to make that $97, which is what the payment is for the $1,100 loan, every month for 12 months. Okay, and they're equal payments. And every month, Self-Lender is going to make a report to the credit bureaus, all 3 credit bureaus, each and every month that you make your payment. So what's happening here? You've got a CPN, you are establishing credit, you are establishing that you've had a loan, you are paying the loan back. So what happens at the end of the 12 months? Excuse me, well, your CD account has fully matured and you have paid back your loan. You have 12 months of on-time payments with a real loan company, and they pull that money from the CD and they deliver it to you. So it's almost like you've had a savings account. So you open the savings account, the money goes over there, and then you make payments. And all the payments are being recorded on your CPN to the credit bureaus, so you're establishing credit. And then in 1 year's time, all the money that you've paid to establish this credit is then handed back to you. Here you go with interest. And then you can do the same thing over and over again. So imagine if you could afford $200 a month and you could do it on both of your accounts. You can greatly increase your credit score with these very good payment schedules and payment records, and they're really good if you're having an issue if you call in. And there's a lot of information, but I wanted to get this out to everybody because it's a lot of information. I'm not going to go through it here, but if you're trying to repair your credit, if you are trying to establish credit, this is one of the easiest, simplest, inexpensive ways to do it. At max, you spend $12 to apply, and then 30 days after that, you start spending less than $50 a month to have something reported to your credit score or on your CPN every single month. And then you get the money. The money is given to you. So you're not losing anything. It is a win-win-win. It's a win with the fact that you have a savings account. It's a win with the fact that you know you're going to be approved. It's a win in the fact that it's only a $12 one-time processing fee. It's a win that you get to choose how much your loan is so you can determine what your monthly payments are going to be. It's a win because they're going to report every month to the credit bureaus. It's a win because at the end of that time, you get your cash and you've got a perfect payment system or payment record with the credit bureaus on your CPN number. It is phenomenal. It's phenomenal and it's working, and this is something that I've just added here, but it is for everybody. You can share this, share the links. It's an amazing program. All you have to do is be consistent in making those payments. So click the link below, go on over there, set up the account. Like I said, the account is totally free. And then from there, decide, if you're trying to establish credit on your CPN, you want to take the option that says, I want to establish credit and create savings. Okay, so if you have any questions, go on over to lameel.com, LAMEEL.com, and click that button that is on, the lower half of the screen. It pops up when you get to the website. Send me a message. I'll be glad to answer via email. Okay, I'm not taking calls on the self-lender program, but I will definitely answer you via email. Otherwise, use the link, sign up and get your account. And if you're going to want to communicate with me and correspond with me on the self-lender program, you're going to need to have gone over to self-lender and created an account. Okay, but do that. It is inexpensive. It is going to report every month on your to the credit bureaus, and it's a way to establish credit and have a savings account. It is a total win-win-win-win-win-win-win-win situation. So it's something you definitely want to do, and I look forward to hearing all of your success stories. Please leave comments below. As you know, I try to get to absolutely everyone as soon as possible. I love you guys. I hope that you go over there and you try this. You have nothing to lose, everything to gain. It is totally amazing. I will see you later.